Shorts and Easy has failed you. You have failed your wager.
Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Thanks for choosing this channel. Thanks for watching my video. Please, if this is your first time, don't fail to subscribe and also hit on the bell to get new notification when a story drop. Hey guys, based on the trending happenings in the Bbnaija Lockdown house, the Bbnaija housemates lost their wager challenge for week 4. Big Brother Naija Lockdown Season 5 housemates went into the arena filled with joy and enthusiasm and returned with sadness as Biggie found their performance appalling. The task was divided into two: a quiz on facts on Nigeria and gender-based violence and rape demonstration. Big Brother divided the housemates into two groups. Team White had V as team leader, Erica, Tricky T, Brighto, Prince, Ozo, Lucy and Kaisha. And Team Black had Kiddwaya as team leader, Laycon, Praise, Dorothy, Nengi, New, Tolani Badge and Watoni. Team White won the quiz with 10 points, which earned them 50 BB Naira coins for each member, while Team Black lost with 8 points and had their BB wallet reversed to 0. The housemates executed their anti-rape campaign smoothly but failed to meet the eye of Big Brother. According to him, he expected it to last a bit longer since it was a delicate issue in the society which needs time to be processed by the viewers. Deputy Head of House Kiddwaya explained there were commercials, while Ozo added that the message was sensitive, that is why they made it short. Biggie found this excuse bogus, saying they could have put in more effort but they took a shortcut instead. He announced to them that they have failed the task and as well lost their wager. So guys, it was really sad seeing the housemates lose their wager after putting in much effort. So after finishing the wager task, they returned back to the house and Biggie called them one after the other into the diary room to share their opinions, to let him know how they are faring in the house. And then Lucy was called into the diary room. As she went to the diary room, she revealed something deep about Erica. According to Lucy, she said Erica has become rude because of Head of House power. 2020 Big Brother Naija housemate Lucy has described the influence of power on Erica after she was made the Head of House. During a chat with Big Brother in the diary room, Lucy said that Erica has become rude since the Head of House was conferred on her. According to the 30-year-old former plantain seller, power has brought out the new character of Erica and it has also corrupted her and her deputy Kiddwaya. In her words, she said, Kiddwaya is more sensible than Erica. Erica doesn't take suggestion and has become rude. Head of House power has changed her and gotten into her. Becoming Head of House has corrupted Kiddwaya and Erica. Power has changed Erica and she's just bringing out a new character, Lucy said. So, commenting further on the general happenings in the house, Lucy claims Ozo is playing games with Nengi. Bbnaija housemate Lucy seems to have changed the perception of her fellow housemate Nengi. Lucy is now claiming Ozo is playing games with Nengi. This comes after she had earlier alleged that Nengi was using Ozo during a fight with Nengi. In a recent diary session with Biggie, Lucy said, concerning this Dorothy, Nengi and Ozo case, I don't think it is Nengi that is using people's head. I think Ozo is the one playing the game. This is a very shocking revelation from Lucy. What are your thoughts on this, guys? Please let me know in the comment section below. Do you think Ozo is the one playing games? So moving on, Kiddwaya reveals what he will do to Erica if she dates Laycon. Bbnaija housemate Kiddwaya opened up to his lover Erica what he will do if she decides to date Laycon, who is also her love interest. Kiddwaya said he would always be there for her for emotional support. He made this known to her during a conversation in their head of house lounge. According to Kiddwaya, if Erica ends up dating Laycon, he will still talk to her and be there for her, and that he would not withdraw. Whether we're in a relationship or flirting, if it all stops, and I'm here for emotional support. If you end up dating Laycon, I'll still talk to you. I'm not stubborn, I won't withdraw, won't watch you crumble or use my jealousy to make you suffer. Kiddwaya reassures Erica again. So still in their romantic mood in the head of house lounge, Kiddwaya blushes as Erica romantically rubs her lips on his nipples. 2020 Big Brother Naija love bet, Kiddwaya and Erica had another romantic session with each other on the couch at the head of house lounge. There they talked about how their feelings for each other sparked, and according to Erica, her feelings for Kiddwaya heightened after a steamy session with him that night. They both went under the duvet. During their conversation, Erica is seen running her lips down Kiddwaya's nipples, and he reacted excitedly, which ended up for them kissing. We can't wait for Saturday night to see what's going to happen between these two love bets. Let me know your thoughts about Kiddwaya and Erica's relationship. Do you think this is going to go beyond the house? So still on the Bbnaija gist, Kiddwaya reveals that Neo will break up with V by December. Kiddwaya believes Neo's relationship with V will only last while they are in the house, because Neo will break up with her when he leaves the house. According to Kiddwaya, there are other options, millions of women out there who are dying to be with Neo, so he may end up breaking up with V. Brighto was present at the conversation, said he doubts Neo would do that because he emotionally truly likes V. In Kiddwaya's words, he said, Neo will get tired of V. A British accent, Neo na Nigerian, local street guy. When he becomes someone, he will have many options. They may last till December, but I don't think they are strong, Kiddwaya reveals to Brighto as they ate shortly before their games. Who agrees on this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop. Stay tuned to this channel, as we'll be bringing you more gist from the Bbnaija Lockdown house as they unfold.